Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest for business marketing. So here is a concise guide to using it. Number one is that you will just create your business account, and you will also create or convert your Pinterest account to a business account for analytics and ads. And second thing is that you will just optimize your profile, and you will just put a professional profile picture of your brand logo and write a clear and keyword rich bio, and you will just also add a link to your website or landing page, and you will just research keywords for, like, if I just tab on my home feed, and you will just research keywords to use Pinterest search bar, which is right over here, and you will just search for your popular you will just search for your popular and relevant keywords for your niche, and you will just include these keywords in your pin or description and board titles and profile, which is on here related to your niche. And make sure you will just design high quality pins, use vertical images, 2.3 ratios for better visibility, and text overlays with a call to actions. And if I just tab on it, three dots which is left, and I will just tab on it, business hub. So this is the most popular strategy to grow your business right over here. You will just add your website and provide a website to run ads and qualify for enhanced tooling. You will see, you will just create it right over here, your portfolio, or you will just add your pin into ads. And if I just scroll down, so this is the like, you will see, when you just run your ads, and you will just like use these boards like vision boards, ideas, recipes, and example. If I just tab on it to show you, so basically this is the recipe idea, and this is the demographics, like you will see, 79% females has followed us this recipe. Basically this is the analytics. So you will just create a pin like this. You will also search for keywords to compare, like I will just use it like fashion outfit, and let's see. So I will just cut it, and let's see the interest over time in fashion outfits. So here you will see 83% females has followed these pins. So in this way you can just use Pinterest for business marketing. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.